Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to switch chart types dynamically in a dashboard by using dashboard parameters, together with a tab widget and inter-widget linking. Here's what you're going to build. A simple drop-down where you pick bar, column, pie, donut, or any other chart type you want, and the visualization changes instantly in the dashboard without creating multiple versions of the dashboard. First, let's create a dashboard. On the design page, click the Data Sources icon. You can create a new data source or use an existing one. For this demo, I select Use Existing and choose Supply Chain Performance Details. Then I click Add. Next, create a dashboard parameter that stores the chart type names. To do this, click the Data Sources Edit icon. On the Edit page, click the Dashboard Parameters icon. In the pop-up, set the parameter to match your needs. First, update the name. You can enable or disable showing the name in the viewer. You can also provide a description if needed. Set the mode to List to allow displaying predefined values. To allow the selection of one value at a time, use the single option. To dynamically control and update other visuals with one value, use the iterative option. In this example, I will use the single option. Choose string as the type to control value labels rather than numeric calculations. To enter fixed values, use the manual option. To automatically pull values dynamically, use the data source option. In this example, I will use the manual option. Then, I add the values by typing in the box and clicking Add after each entry. Confirm the details. And click Save. And then click Close. To save the changes to the data source, click Save. Next, on the design page, drag and drop the Combine widget onto the design canvas and resize it. This step is optional, but it helps keep the drop-down and the chart area neatly grouped together. Now add a combo box widget and resize it. Navigate to Assign Data. Bind the dashboard parameter field to the Value section, so the drop-down displays the chart type list you just created. At this point, you can pick a chart type from the drop-down, but the dashboard still needs a way to display the correct chart based on that selection. Now add a tab widget and resize it. Go to the Properties, then the Tab Order area under Basic Settings. Rename the tab and create more new tabs as needed. Make sure the values are the same as in the combo box so that they're mapped correctly. Inside Tab 1, place the first chart type to show. And assign data. In the Properties, clear the Show Shadow option under the Container Appearance settings. Repeat these steps for tabs 2, 3, and 4. Make sure each chart uses the same dataset and the same measures, so only the visualization changes, not the underlying data. The key is to match the drop-down order with the tab order. Now, connect the drop-down to the tabs by using inter-widget linking, Select the combo box widget. Enable inter-widget linking in the widget's properties, and link it to the tab widget. Also, clear the Show Shadow option under the container appearance settings. With this setup, when a user selects a value in the combo box, it switches to the corresponding tab automatically, and that is what creates the dynamic chart type switching experience. Finally, add a text widget. And add the title. Now, our dashboard is ready for preview to test the enhancement. Click Preview. On the preview page, change the drop-down value and confirm that the active tab changes. And the chart updates immediately. If the wrong chart appears, check the order of items in the dashboard parameter list and make sure the tab widget tabs are in the correct sequence. Also, you can manually click on the tab to dynamically change the charts. In this tutorial, I have shown you how to switch chart type dynamically in a dashboard in Bold BI. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. Once you're there, start a 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, you can schedule a call by clicking Request Demo. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.